got Indian food today. This is our pani peri. Break that in. Potatoes and chickpeas mixture. Sauce. So good. It's like the best snack ever. If you haven't tried this, you guys gotta try it out. Samosa. So this is their vegan. This is your chutney sauce. And this is like their tamarind sauce. When you eat Indian food, you don't need no utensils. You use your hands. Gotta have the garlic naan. I have butter chicken, tikka masala, and I also got chicken biryani, chicken tandoori. Everything's chicken. Tandoori chicken. This is the grilled chicken. Whoa, very flavorful. Nice grill flavor. The seasoning goes all the way down to the bone. Then you wash it all down with a Sprite.